everyone. My name is Jess and today I am doing this eye makeup look with the 24G Glam eyeshadow palette that I picked up a couple of weeks ago at my local store, which is about an hour and a half away, so it's not that local. But if you would like to see this eye makeup look, please keep watching. So today I'm going to be using the Morphe 24G Glam eyeshadow palette. I recently picked this up and I really like the colors. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet, but we're just gonna go ahead and see what comes out of this. I'm gonna go in with the shade Spiffy. I drove down to the closest Morphe store that I have, which is over an hour away. And I fell in love with this palette as soon as I saw it. The pan size are huge and the colors are so pretty. And I have no idea what I'm going to come up with today, but we'll see. And I just want to throw it out there. I am not a professional makeup artist in any way, shape, or form. But I do love makeup and I am learning little by little. That way all my brushes are from BH Cosmetics. So any brush that you see used today will be from that brand. Okay, now we're gonna go in with Flirty. And just mix it right in with the last color used. I like to start with my eyeshadow in case I have to clean anything up after. I don't ruin my makeup on the rest of my face. Especially because I'm not the greatest with eyeliner. So if I mess up, it's easier to clean up and go if I don't have my face done yet. Now, sorry if you guys hear a lot of noise in the background. I have both of my windows open because it is a very hot day today. I kind of like this pink color that I see right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this. Let's hope I don't end up looking like a clown after this. Okay, this brush is not good for that. Let's try this one. Okay, that's better. The shade I am using is Glitz. It's a very nice pink shade. You guys can see this through the camera, but this shade is so pretty. And I do want to apologize if the audio or the video quality isn't the best. I am just getting started with this, so it will hopefully get better. This is looking a little bit weird. I really hope I don't end up looking like a clown. Hopefully once we add the finishing touches, it's looking decent. I went back into Spiffy and Flirty, mixing those two. I'm adding them to my crease, trying to blend the pink on the top. This is glossy. I'm gonna take it in my finger. Oh yeah, that's so pretty. case we gloss it on the sides when we put in that sparkly shape. Try and blend it in a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the shade Glazed, and I'm gonna use this to highlight my brow bone. I'm gonna use that same shade to go in my inner corner. Give it a little bit of primer. Now that that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up a little bit and put on my eyeliner, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm back with lashes. I use the Ardell Natural in 110. I also did my eyeliner with this Essence waterproof eyeline pen, as well as my mascara, and I used the Too Faced Better Than Sex. Oh no. Okay, so now moving on to the eyebrows, I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, and I use this in the color medium brown. And you guys will probably see this in fast forward because my eyebrows take forever. They need so much work. So fast forward it is. Okay, now we're moving on to the second brow. It is so hard to get them both to be the same. I mean, I know they're supposed to be sisters, not twins, but mine look more like cousins on a regular basis. And of course I had to get a pimple right under my eyebrow today that I'm filming. Okay, so I believe that's as good as they are going to get. Okay, so now I'm going to be moving on to the face. I'm going to start with my Hangover Too Faced primer. Now I'm going to go ahead and move on to my face foundation. I use the MAC Studio Fix in the shade NW20. This is what it looked like. And it is a Keys New York Flat Edge Sponge 3-in-1 Contour. Oh my goodness, you guys, I also have a pimple on my lip. What's up with all these pimples showing up on the wrong day? Couldn't they wait till tomorrow? Or next year or something? Oh, and I just messed up my brow. Okay, lesson learned. We're not doing brows before foundation anymore. So now I'm going to use a little bit of my NYX Gotcha Covered Concealer to try and cover up a little bit of the imperfections that I have. Like this pimple. This is really light on my skin, you guys, so just bear with me. I honestly got like a very, very light shade. This is in the shade Light. So, obviously you guys, not the best choice.
We can't see you.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Am I making funny faces? Does anybody else make funny faces while they're doing their makeup? I mean, I do funny faces even on a regular day. Whatever I'm doing, siempre haciendo caras. Why do I do this? Why? Okay, I think I applied a little too much. And like I said, it is a very light. But hopefully we can make it work. Okay. Now we're looking white as a ghost. Okay, I am now gonna move on to my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the color Medium Dark. This is what it looks like. And this is the inside of it. My mirror is very dirty. I'm sorry, you guys. And I'm going to take a brush and just put this all over my face. Putting a color powder all over my face will help get back some color to the ghost white that we had going on. And it would also help set my makeup for the whole thing. Now we're going to go ahead and use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Kit in light to medium. And I'm going to use these two shades right here. I can't find my regular brush, so I'm just going to go ahead and use this one. Because why not? I'm gonna go back in to the lower lash line with some color. I'm gonna go ahead and use, my name's backwards. Let me see. We're gonna go ahead and use Spiffy and Flirty one more time. This time we're going under our eyes. Okay. Now that that's done, we're gonna move on to highlight, and I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in Sun Dipped, and I use the shade Tourmaline and Moonstone. I hope I'm saying that correct. It is these two down here. A little bit on the tip of my nose, and then I run it up my nose. And the final steps are to go in with the lip liner. I'm going to use the shade Sweetheart from Morphe. I'm going to use this lip pencil to line my lips and fill them in. And lastly, I'm going to go ahead and put the ColourPop Ultra Blotted Lip in the color Suma on top of that. This is what it looks like. This is one of my favorite things to use. Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the color Midnight Cowboy. Let's see how it looks in the lash line. In the waterline, I mean. Okay, and I completely forgot, but to end my makeup, I use the Morphe setting spray. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, and that is all. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye.